The Agenda at Tribute Hotel. At tandaan po natin, dito po ay ang ating programa is brought to you by Impact Publishing in cooperation with EFG Consulting Incorporated. Ako po ay inyong host, Attorney Fred Bison, at this is our very first episode for 2026. So good morning sa ating mga listeners, viewers, at commenters. We have a very interesting topic here, considering that big words such as anti-corruption, accountability, and impeachment are back in the public discourse. But lumalabas sa mga tanong tungkol dito sa mga words na ito, what is the effect when it comes to our President, to our Vice President, not only because of politics, but for the public in general. Our discourse and discussion for this morning will not talk about any judgment, any kind of conclusions, but we need to understand ano ang epekto ng ganito mga diskurso sa ating bayan. Paano naapektuhan ang mga impeachment discussions ang tiwala ng publiko sa pamahalaan, galaw ng mga institusyon, political stability, at ang mga pang-araw-araw na governance na directing tumatama sa ating mga mayan. With us this morning are two well-respected, data-driven political strategists and data-driven research innovators. To my left, I'd like to introduce to you the CEO and founder of Tangere. Sometimes he is called Boss Martin, pero medyo bata pa si Sir, kaya nga Martin na lang muna. So he is the founder and chief executive officer of Tangere, a public opinion analytics company. Welcome to the show, Martin, and tell us more about Tangere in a few minutes. Okay lang ba yun? Salamat po sa pag-invite ko. Thank you for being here. And to my right, I think she has been a popular guest in quite a few shows lately. She is a seasoned political strategist, a public opinion expert, and the founder of Publicus Asia, a strategic communications, public affairs, and political consulting firm. I think her name reverberates in so many political discussions. She is also, ngayon ko lang nalaman, that she is a professor teaching political science, public policy, and campaign strategy at major Philippine universities, including UP, De La Salle University, and my favorite, of course, Ateneo de Manila University. Welcome to our show, Ma'am Malu Tiquilla.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good morning to everyone. Thank you, Fred, for the invitation. It's an honor to be here in your agenda in a new location. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, to break the ice, Martin, ano ba talaga ang history ng Tangere at bakit meron tayong Tangere ngayon since 2018? And perhaps you can discuss the most recent survey results that your company has conducted.
Again, salamat po sa